Good morning, children. We have already read page number 33, 34 and 35 of chapter 6, Our Food. So let us continue with page number 35. And we have, remember this. Why you need food? Every day you feel hungry and want to eat something. Your body is telling you that it needs food. Now this is a big question, children. Even you must be thinking about it, that why we need food. Why our body is asking food after small intervals. Okay, you have eaten food just now and after 3-4 hours you'll say again, I'm feeling hungry. Okay, so just these are a few important points. Why we need food. Food gives you energy to work and play. Whatever we are eating, that is converted into energy in our blood, and that will make us work and play. Food builds up your body. Food will help you to build your body also. That is bodybuilding food. Food keeps away illness and makes you healthy. Now what else food will do? Food will keep us away from different diseases and they will make us healthy. If we are eating the right food, then what will happen? That right food will give us more energy and that will build our body, and it will also keep away from illness and make us healthy. Now coming to the next page number 36, the foods you need. Now overall there are 3 types of food. First is energy givers. What are energy givers? They gives you energy to work and play. And when you eat these type of food, they will give you energy. And the foods that include are sugar, jaggery, sharbat, bread, rice and potato. All these foods, when you are eating, they will give you energy. There are some food which will give you more energy, which will keep you energy for more hours. They are nuts and butter. Okay, so all these foods which now you are seeing, like sugar, jaggery, sharbat, bread, potato, rice, nuts and butter, all types of nuts it will include. Butter, oil, ghee, everything that will include in this. That will give you energy. Okay, now coming to the next part, bodybuilding food and disease fighters. Now bodybuilders, which will build up your body. Who will build up your body? These foods. These are milk, fish, pulses. Okay, all different types of meat, eggs, pulses. They will give you. They are very rich in protein, so they will build your body. So they are called bodybuilders. Now coming to the disease fighters, keep away illness and makes you healthy. Now in this category, all the fruits and vegetables are included. All will fight for disease. Like here we have shown palak, mango, idli, ragi. Now washing food. Washing of the food is very important. Okay, let's read. Fruits, vegetables, grains and meat get dirty. In the dirt, there are tiny living things called germs too, small for us to see. Called germs, too small for us to see. They are so small that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Some of these germs can make you sick. Now these, if we are not washing the vegetables and the grains while cooking nicely, so these tiny little germs will go inside our body and they will affect our body and they can make us sick. So before cooking, wash all food well with clean water. Now let's do a quick recap. Again, for the types of the food. The first are the energy givers food, and energy giver foods are also divided into 3 categories. The first one is quick energy. These type of foods will give us quick energy. When you are feeling tired, a glass of sweet lemon sharbat perks you up at once. Sweet things like sugar, jaggery, gur and fruits give you quick energy which lasts for a short time. You soon feel hungry again. See, these type of food which are sweet in nature, they will give you very quick energy. Suppose you have gone out for workout, or you have done some exercise, or you have gone out for play. When you come home, your mama will give you a glass of water with Glucon-D. What will happen? Why mama is giving you that? Because it will give you instant energy, very quick energy. Quick energy for some hours. Rice, roti, bread, bhakri, potatoes and tapioca give you energy that lasts for several hours. Now several hours. If you are eating chapati, if you are eating rice, bread, potatoes, these type of food will give you energy for some hours. 4-5 hours, no problem. If you have eaten proper meal, then at least for 4-5 hours you don't need to worry about. You will not feel hungry. Then energy to store. Which all foods are required to store your energy? Butter, oil, ghee and nuts contain fats. Fats are stored in your body. At times when you need extra energy or when you do not get enough food, fats get used up to give you energy. Now energy to store. What happens when you are eating butter, oil, ghee, nuts? They contain fat. Okay, so this fat is stored in your body. And suppose in case sometimes you are not feeling well, you are having some problem, you are having some disease, then you are not able to have food. This stored energy will be utilized by your body, right? So next is milk, eggs, meat, fish, split pulses, sprouted pulses and nuts help to build up and repair your body. They make you strong. Now all these are bodybuilding food. Okay, they help to build your body. Next comes some food help your body to fight disease. They also help you pass the stools out of your body. These disease fighters are fruits, vegetables, unpolished rice, other cereals with their skin and fermented foods like curd, idli and dhokla. See, now comes disease fighter. Now I have already told you that all the fruits and vegetables will come in this category because they are rich in fiber, and this fiber will help you to pass the stool out easily. Like unpolished rice. Unpolished rice means that brown rice which is having the brown covering, and this brown covering is the fiber. That adds fiber to your body. Okay, and other fermented food like curd, idli and dhokla. Cooking food. Cooking makes food tasty, easy to chew and easy to digest. Heat kills the germs in the food. Eat some food raw like carrot, tomato, onion, radish, lettuce and cucumber. Wash raw foods very well before you eat them. Always eat fresh food. Now when you are cooking, when mama is cooking food, you must have observed mama is always washing the food, washing all the types of fruits and vegetables and the grains. Now we have to cook the food. That what helps in cooking? Cooking will make the germs die, right? And also the food will become tasty, and it will be easy to chew and easy to digest. So when we are eating raw food, that means हम जो कच्ची चीज़ें खाते हैं, like carrot, tomato, onions, radish, cucumber, lettuce, all these should be washed properly, because we are not heating them. We are eating without cooking. So these things should be washed properly. Next is, growing children like you need a lot of food. The food you eat goes to your stomach. The useful part of this food gets into your blood. Along with the blood, it reaches all parts of your body. This is what gives you energy and makes you grow. The parts of the food you do not need are thrown out of your body through your stool. So children, we have to eat the right type of the food. Our body needs lot of food. After every 4-5 hours, you need a meal, and that only will give us energy. That food what we are eating, it will be converted into energy, and it will go into the blood, and this nutrients will give us energy, and which will make us grow. If we are eating the right type of food, then only we will become a healthy person. Okay? And if we are eating the right part, the part of the food which do not need, and the food which is the nutrient which is going inside the blood, and the rest of the food which is not used by the body is thrown out of the body through the stool. Okay, what is stool? What we are throwing out. That shit we are throwing out, that is the stool. And we are throwing the waste part, which our body is not using. You are made from the food you eat. So eat the right food. Your body is made from the food which we are eating. And so we should eat right kind of food. Water helps to wash away waste in the body. Your body needs about 8 glasses of water every day. Drink plenty of water between the meals. So water is also very important part. When we are having food, at least half an hour afterwards you have to drink water. But when we are talking about in a day you should eat at least 8 to 10 glasses of water, because all the functioning of the body is becoming possible only due to water. You know children, our body weight, 2/3 of our body weight is having water, right? So we should drink plenty of water in between the meals, okay? Thank you.